Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss remaining part of chapter number 12. Chapter 12.4. Exercise 12.4. Two question complete. Now, question number third. Question number third is in figure find all the four angles of a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. It means we find out all four angles: angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D. And diagram is given circle and quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral, angle A is given y degree, angle B is given 3x degree, angle C is given 2y degree, angle D is given a 2x degree. Then according to statement, we know that in a cyclic quadrilateral, sum of opposite angle is a 180 degree. Sum of opposite angle is a 180 degree. Then here opposite angle is angle A and C are opposite, angle B and D are opposite. Angle A and angle C, it means angle A plus angle C equal 180, angle B plus angle D equal 180. Here we mention angle A plus angle C equal 180 degree, and then A plus C equal 180 degree. A equal y, B equal 3x, C equal 2y, D equal 2x. A plus C equal 180 degree. Then y plus 2y equal 180 degree, y plus 2y, 3y equal 180 degree. So y equal 180 divided by 3, 180 divided by 3, it means 60 degree. We get y equal 60 degree. Similarly angle D and B, sum of these two is 180 because these two are opposite angle, so angle B plus angle D equal 180 degree. Here 2x and 3x. Now 2x plus 3x equal 180 degree. 2x plus 3x, 5x, and 180 degree mention as it is. 5x equal 180 degree. We calculate value of x na, then x equal 180 divided by 5. 180 divided by 5, it means 36 degree. Now therefore we calculate all angles na. X value of x and y is 36 degree and 60 degree. So put values of x and y, then calculate angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D. Now angle A equal y degree, so y equal 60 degree. Therefore angle A equal 60 degree. Angle B equal 3x, x equal 36 degree. Now angle B equal 3 into x, so 3 multiply 36. 3 multiply 36, it means value is 108 degree. Angle C is 2y, so 2 into 60. Angle C equal 2 into 60, it means 120 degree. Angle D equal 2 into x, so D equal 2 into 36, 72 degree. D equal 72 degree. Angle A equal 60 degree, angle B equal 108 degree, angle C equal 120 degree, angle D equal 72 degree. Okay, A, B, C, and D. Now simple question again. In cyclic quadrilateral, sum of two opposite angle is 180 degree. Therefore here opposite angle A and C are opposite, B and D are opposite. A plus C equal 180 degree, A plus C equal 180 degree, y plus 2y equal 180, y equal 60 degree. Similarly B plus D equal 180, 2x plus 3x equal 180, x equal 36 degree. Calculate value of angle A, B, C, and D. So put value x and y. A equal 60, B equal 108, C equal 120, D equal 72 degree is a answer. Okay, next question. Next question is question number 4. Question number 4 is in a figure, angles are denoted by A, B, C, and D. Find the measure of these angles. Okay. Now, in figure A, B, E, F is a cyclic quadrilateral. Figure is given and angle denoted by A, B, C, and D. Figure is given. Figure is given this one. Okay, two circles intersect each other at point E and B. Okay, join EB, A, B, C, D, F, and E. Okay, now A, B, E, F. In first circle, A, B, E, F is cyclic quadrilateral. In second circle, C, D, B, A is a cyclic quadrilateral. Now, in cyclic quadrilateral, we know that sum of opposite angle is a 180 degree. Okay, now angle ABEF is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABEF is a cyclic quadrilateral and the sum of opposite angle is a 180 degree. Mention now here. Angle BAF, it means 65 degree, and angle BEF, because A and E are opposite, so angle BEF, angle BED equal 180 degree. BED, it means this one and this one, sum of these two is a 180 degree. Now BAF plus BEF, BAF plus BEF 180, and BEF plus BED, these two are also 180 degree on a straight line na. Therefore these two 180 equal 180, both angle are equal. Now BEF cancel out, BEF cancel out by BEF, so BAF equal BED, BAF equal a BED, and value of BAF is a 65 degree and value of BED equal a, so A equal a 65 degree is a answer. We get value of A is a 65 degree answer. Okay, now from figure, angle A and angle D, these two angles are opposite, and in cyclic quadrilateral BCDE, cyclic quadrilateral BCDE, in cyclic quadrilateral BCD, sum of opposite angle is 180, so angle A plus angle D equal 180 degree. Therefore angle A plus angle D equal a 180 degree. Now here value of D is 180 and A is 65. Now angle D equal 180 degree minus 65 degree. It means we get value of D is 115 degree answer. Okay, similarly calculate value of CB. Okay, now similarly AFE, angle AFE means this angle, and equal CBE, angle AFE equal angle CBE, it means 91 equal C, so value of C equal a 91 degree, value of C equal a 91 degree. AFE is 91 degree, mention AFE replaced by 91 degree. CB equal C, CB equal C. Therefore, angle C equal 91 degree. Okay. Now angle B. Angle B means C plus B equal 180 degree. These two are opposite angle in a cyclic quadrilateral. So C plus B equal 180 degree. Now C plus B equal 180 degree. Angle C equal 91 degree. Therefore C is 91 degree. Here calculate value of B. Angle B equal 180 degree minus 91 degree. 180 degree minus 91 degree is 180 minus 91. 180 minus 91 means remaining is 89 degree. So angle B equal 89 degree is answer. Okay students, simple. Sum of opposite angle in a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. Then calculate according to diagram A and E opposite. Now this one and this one, sum of these two is 180 degree. A equal 65 degree, C equal 91 degree. A and D are opposite, so A plus D equal 180 degree. D equal 180 minus A equal 90, 180 minus 91. Okay, and 91 equal C, so C equal 91 degree, A equal 65 degree. Therefore angle B equal 180. C and B are opposite. C plus B equal 180. B equal 180 minus C. C equal 91. 180 minus 91. D equal 180 minus 65. Okay, value of A, B, C and D. Next question. Question number 5. Question number 5 is in a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, AD parallel BC, then prove A equal D. In a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, given AD parallel BC, then prove A equal D. Now, first given part mention. Given part is ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, so mention ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Now AD parallel BC given, so mention AD parallel BC. To prove, what will be prove? Angle A equal angle D, so mention angle. To prove A equal angle D. Construction. Now construction part is according to question. First mention cyclic quadrilateral, so circle and cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, in cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, other condition is given AD parallel BC. Now AD and BC are parallel, therefore remaining part AB parallel CD also. Okay, join A and B. Join A and B to C and D. Join AB to C and D. Okay, complete cyclic quadrilateral. Now proof part, BCA equal X and A join to C, B join to D. Now angle BCA. Angle BCA means angle BCA. It means this angle. We let this angle is X. Now therefore angle CAD or DAC is also X, because this and this one is a alternate angle. Okay, angle made on a same segment. Angle made on same segment means a angle made on same segment and opposite alternate angle. So this one is X, this one is also X. Similarly this one is X, so this one is also X. Now BCA equal X, then BDA equal X. BCA equal X, then BDA equal X. Okay, are the angle of same segment. Okay, these two angle are on a same segment. Angle makes on same segment are equal. Now BC parallel AD, BC parallel AD. Therefore angle CAD CAD, angle CAD equal angle BDA, angle BDA. This one equal this, x equal x. Okay, because these two are parallel. And CAB, this one equal BDC, okay, this one. So by equation first and second we get, by equation first and second, adding equation first and second, CAD plus CAB, left hand side CAB plus CAD. Okay, now right hand side BDA plus BDC, BDA plus BDC. So CAD plus CAB, CAD plus CAB, it means angle A. So here mention angle A. BDA plus BDC, BDA plus BDC. This one complete is angle D. Now angle A equal angle D. Hence 2. Okay, simple. According to question, first mention cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. Here AD parallel BC. Now alternate angle, angle made on same segment but opposite are equal. Therefore equation first and equation second we get, equation by equation first and second we get both are added, left hand side added, right hand side added. Left hand side A, angle A, right hand side angle A, D. So A equal angle D. Okay, hence proof. Now next question. Question number 6. Question number 6 is ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral in which increase AB and DC meet at point E. Prove that triangle EBC and triangle EDA are congruent. Okay, first mention given part. Given part is ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Sides AB and DC meet at E. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Now cyclic quadrilateral AB and DC. AB extend to point E, DC also extend to point E. Now AB and DC meet to point E. Okay, so to prove, what will we prove? Triangle EBC similar to triangle EDA, Okay, then first mention figure, then proof. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral given. Now mention ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore in cyclic quadrilateral we know that sum of opposite angle is equal, and here angle A equal angle BCE, angle A equal angle BCE. It means this angle, exterior angle and interior angle are equal. Okay, in cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore angle A equal angle C. Angle A equal angle CC means BCE, external. Therefore mention, we know that exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to interior opposite angle. Okay, theorem is statement is exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. Exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to interior opposite angle. Exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to interior opposite angle. Therefore similar case, angle D equal angle CBE or EBC. Now this one is equal to that one. Okay, angle A equal C means BCE, angle D equal angle B means CBE. Okay, now by equation first and second, in triangle EBC and triangle EAD, or EDA. Okay, now in these two triangle, first a smaller triangle and then a bigger triangle. In these two triangle, C equal A, angle C equal angle A by equation first, and angle D equal angle B by equation second, and third one is angle E. E means BEC. Okay, BCE, and angle EAED. Angle E is common in a both triangle. So angle E is common in a both triangle, common angle. Now by angle similarity, by triple angle similarity. Okay, by angle similarity, by angle similarity. Now in these two triangle, smaller triangle EBC and bigger triangle EAD. In these two triangle, angle E equal angle E, common angle C equal angle A by equation first, angle D equal angle B by equation second. Now angle similarity rule, triangle EBC similar to triangle EDA. These two triangle are similar. Okay, simple statement. Angle D equal angle B, exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to interior opposite angle. Okay students, remaining question try yourself. If you have any doubt, then write your doubts, questions, queries, comment in comment box. Okay, thanks.